YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one's the Feybaul Luggage Suitcase PC+ABS material with the TSA lock, expandable hardshell, carry-on luggage with the spinner wheels. They offer different sizes. By the way, this is champagne color, two-piece set, 14 and 20 inch. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you could check it out. And I would like to give this shout out to Coco from their marketing team for sending me this. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it before you check it out. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it and show you guys the item. So here is the product description right here. So yeah, this is the brand right here, Feybaul. And you have the TSA lock right here. This is the combination. Another handle right here. Got the telescoping handle. And you have the 4 other feet on the bottom. And we will need to install the wheels. And this is the wheel. You got the buckle right here for to tie down. There's a mesh pocket. Another pocket right here on the bottom. Let's go ahead and check out this one. Nice handle. On the back you got this strap. That you can put it on the telescope handle right here. Like that. Go ahead and check out the inside. Got a double zipper system right here. You could also add a lock. So you can put your makeup for women or men's shaver or anything like that. There's a divider. Also a pocket. There's a see-through window right here. You can zip the whole compartment right here. There's another pocket right here. And then there's a dual separation pocket right here as well. Pretty awesome. Let's go and then add the wheels on there. Oh, there's a white button right here. You press it down so it can lock. Press it down, and then that's it. You can adjust. Should be 000, the default setting. Okay, and then you can lock it up, and then they can open it. And once you set the combination back to 000, and then press the lever to on the right side to open it up. So this one is compatible with TSA. They have a special key to open this. if they don't know the combination. Okay. So yeah, in this 14-inch carry-on, I got the cologne, I got the thermometer, I got the alcohol wipes, got the airborne vitamin C, Motrin, some Band-Aid, got my electric shaver, Neosporin, hand sanitizer, got some of the lotion and the vitamin C. And right here in this clear package, I have the toothbrush, toothpaste, lip balm, and floss. And under there, got more floss, got the sunscreen, mouth dry, and then salon paws. So actually, you can fit more stuff in here if you need to. So, and with this 20-inch luggage, I got the sweatshirt, sweater, got shorts, and sweatpants. Actually, you could put more of the jean if I want to. And over here on this side, got the dental floss, salon paws, hand sanitizer, lotion, floss, lip balm, toothpaste, toothbrush in this mesh. Pretty nice. And then we got my wife's sleepwear. Got the new socks, getting ready to travel. And we could fit all the underwears in here. So this is my wife's side, my side right here. Okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. Be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description so you guys could check out this awesome set. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.